Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to see what happens if you accidentally push the start button while driving. Let's get right into the video. Now in most modern cars today you don't have a physical key where you'd have to do a motion to shut off the car. You got just a push button with the key fob. So I was curious, I wanted to see what happened because one time I was trying to turn up the heat and I almost accidentally pushed the start button. So let's get right out on the road and let's find out what happens. Now, we're not on a main road or anything, because we wouldn't want to, if the car does shut off, we wouldn't want to do it in the middle of the busy road. That wouldn't be good. Let's get out on the road. Alright, I'm going to go about 5 and see if it shuts off. Just to see.
You're actually not going 5, you were going 6. Now you're going 0.
Let's see if we're just going no gas.
Oh, yep, it'll shut off.
Let's turn it back on. No, if you don't put your foot on the gas or anything, it will shut off. Now it's going below 5, maybe a mile an hour.
Coasting.
Let's try to go about 25. Now that time was going about 25 and it didn't shut off.
Some people might ask, what if you're going 55? We'll demonstrate that shortly.
So we're going to get off this road and we're going to go on a little bit more busier road, but not too busy.
So you guys don't think we're lying here. As you can see, we're going 25 and he's going to hit the button. You're up here, we'll demonstrate us going 5. I know some people are probably playing a gimmick on us.
And it will not shut off if you're going 5. So now we'll slow down the car completely. And we'll just let it coast.
And it will shut off.
Some people might want to know if it will shut off going highway speeds. Now personally I would doubt it. If it's not going to shut off going 25, then it would shut off at going highway speeds, but we'll find that out now.
25, and he's gonna hit the button. We get up here, we'll demonstrate us going 5.
It will not shut off if you're going 5. So now we'll slow down the car completely. And we'll just let it coast.
And it will shut off. Alright, now we'll demonstrate on a little more.
Some people might want to know. Now some people might want to know if it will shut off going highway speeds. Now personally I would doubt it. If it's not going to shut off going 25, then it would shut off at going highway speed, but we'll find that out now. Approximately 60 and see if it'll shut off.
Personally, I doubt it. We'll find out.
Alright, we're going 60. And it don't shut off.
Like I suspected.
Now we'll see. Because some people might be wondering, well, what if I put it in neutral and shut off? So I'm going about 45 in neutral. And it don't shut off. Well, that's good to know. Thank you for watching another video on the channel. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.